Drivin Ivan here at Gulf Coast Motorworks, and they are having a Thanksgiving cookout and car show. I'm going to walk you around and show you all the cars, and let's get started with this beautiful Dayglow Aston Martin. Yes, sir. Porsche, BMW, another Porsche. Lifted trucks, of course, and a little bit of Dayglow in this Aston Martin as well. A lot of cool cars out and about today, of course. What would you expect from a very nice exotic car dealership here in the Naples, Florida area? Ferraris, Jaguar, Corvette, hot rod action, old Corvettes, you know, they got it all here. I like the resto mods like this one. It's got an LS engine in it, LS3 to be exact, and beautiful interior, but modern current conveniences for the resto mod. Good stuff. Flanked by a couple other Corvettes. This side Shelby. Got some muscle there. Look at old kick-ass Miata BMW. This smaller BMW is like the M2, M1. Those are just great cars. You know, the BMWs used to be a lot smaller. All cars used to be a lot smaller. They're getting big, and to see that car, you know, a smaller car, really that's what it's all about. I'm a big fan of Lotus, and of course they're simplify and add lightness, and with the small size comes a lighter weight as well. The more material you have to use, well, the less speed you get, the less performance you get, the less fuel economy you get. So Lotus was an innovator in that, and that's why they work on other vehicle manufacturers and work with them. Toyota being one of those that Lotus worked with. Isuzu back in the day. Handling by Lotus was extremely common to see back then. Very, very cool too, I would say. So there you go. Look at this. Got the Viper. Got a Charger out there, orange and black. I've got a Superbird Porsche. It's got that paint scheme. Check that out. That's kind of a cool car that I just picked up. If you want to know what I drive, just search "What Does Drivin Ivan Drive," and you will find it on YouTube. There's two videos. Look for the music video for the most current one. Mazda 3 Speed. I do lots of driving reviews of this Boxster as well. So look for Drivin Ivan in any car out there. And hey, have you smashed that like button yet? I hope you have. It'll help me out. Help me out if you subscribe too. Trying to show you all these cool cars. That's what I'm doing. Have a full driving review of the Hellcat as well. Nice Factory 5 looking Cobra America clone. I actually interviewed Pete Brock in front of the real car, and that's a very cool interview next to the Cobra Daytona. Sort of what this is modeled after. McLarens, lots of McLarens in here. Audi TT back there. Another McLaren. This was pretty hot looking, I would say. Look at this. Hot day too here, man. It is in the 80s. Another Aston Martin. An Oldsmobile here. 442. Detroit 442. Baby, baby, I could rock with you. The Blondie song. Yeah, that's what she's talking about. Absolutely. Another McLaren. This Cadillac CTSV wagon. I reviewed that. Full driving review of the 6-speed manual. I love my Audi TT Spider. Just love the shape. The earlier ones are the coolest, but they all look good. Mine, of course, has that baseball glove leather. Aston Martin Vanquish, and let's see, Ferrari 225. This, of course, looking like a California Spider a bit, but it is I think it's a good clone. I'm not so sure it's real. I would say it is not real, but I don't know, maybe it is, who knows. It's got a pretty convincing plate there. Let me know what you think in the comments. Real or not real. You can do a lot of that down here in Florida. Just reviewed a Tesla Model S, and did a story also, is America ready for electric cars? So check that one out for my thoughts on that subject matter. Also reviewed the Model 3, that Model 3. A lot of people putting their social media on their cars. I'm happy to advertise for them, help them get some more followers if possible. Spread the love, why not? Uh-oh. Kid just fell down in front of me, but I think he's okay. I think he's okay. Triumph motorcycle. Take you back over this way a little bit, and I'll take you over there too. Don't worry, I'm not gonna miss anything. You'll see it all. They've got the shop open today. They don't always have the shop open today, so it's nice. Lamborghini Urus SUV, pretty cool. Yeah, so ZZ Top looking roadster there. McLaren. I love Maseratis. Got my Maserati Spider. And I don't know if you noticed, got my Maserati hat on today too. Ferrari California Portofino, kind of share the same style there. But hardtop convertible, that's the first one for Ferrari. Pretty cool. Contrast it to this Maserati here. What do you like better? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. I love my Maserati. I do. So something about a company with 22 more years racing experience than Ferrari. And yeah, that's right. Maserati was winning races 22 years before Ferrari. There you go. Just Google Drivin Ivan and Maserati, and you'll see my full review of my Spider. Like I said, Lamborghini Urus. Also, I have a cool interview with Valentino Balboni at the factory. Check that out elsewhere. I'm going to take you in the corner here because they've got another little area that you don't really see too much of. Shh, I'm going to sneak the camera in. Don't tell anybody, boss. Mustang, and it's the pace car Corvette. Cool custom truck back there. Another Camaro or something. Looks like another Corvette back there. Cool stuff all around here. Broncos are very in fashion now. Just released the new one, as you see. The old ones are also extremely desirable. There's a Ferrari Roma. All right, back out and walking through. More stuff all around. Low standards. That is pretty cool. Saw him rolling in about the time I was shooting my intro. Boxster Corvette. This one's for sale. Another Boxster. I do like the 986 Boxster. That's what I have. The earlier ones. Love Bentleys. Love Aston Martins. Finally did a driving review of an Aston Martin, the DB9 with a 6-speed manual. Check that out. But Bentleys. Also lots of racing history there with Bentley. The blower Bentleys in the 20s. They were winning races back then. And great cars. This Ferrari is lovely. It's got a carbon fiber Scuderia badge on the side. Beautiful light blue paint job. Just look at the detail. The door handles. Huge gold wheels. And light tan interior. I think this is a really, really great looking Ferrari here. Love it. I actually took a selfie with this one. Oh, look, there goes an Eldorado. Nice little orange color. One out there. And a Dodge Demon Beast. I do review the Hellcat on YouTube. Just Google Drivin Ivan in any car. You can see it. AMG GT 43. Very cool racy Porsches here. Yes, I did interview Valentino Balboni at the factory back in 1999 before the museum opened. That's on YouTube. Check it out. 2 parts. 2-part interview there where he walked through the cars. He was Lamborghini's test driver until very recently. Within the last 5 years or so, 10 years. Time rolls by quickly these days. Wow. Lamborghini. Love these. Look at it. Toys for Tots, that's nice. Looks like they're giving out Hot Wheels. I don't know if they're giving them out or just donating them, but that's good either way. I like it. There's the Maserati MC20. Beautiful car. That's 6-cylinder Neptune V6 that they just came out with recently. Apparently it's for sale. There's the window sticker. Looky there, beautiful. I love these. They're getting a lot of performance out of a 6-cylinder engine. That's looking great too. That's Supra. Yeah. All right, you want to go inside and see the pièce de résistance? La pièce de résistance inside here. Starting with this Shelby over here. Very cool Beetle right here. Ferrari Enzo, I believe. Yes. A lot of people checking it out. Attracting a lot of attention, as it would. Why not, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Love it when Ferrari started displaying the engine as well.
I guess you get more money, but still, it's not.
So there you go. A lot of Lamborghinis. Love this purple Ferrari. This was here last time I was here. Yeah, I got another video from another event. So check that out elsewhere on YouTube here. But Gulf Coast Motor Works, really nice dealership down here in Florida. Look, green Lamborghini, green Porsche. Want to see the window sticker? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? I don't know how you can see it, but it's a 2022 911 GTS.
I like that color.
Porsche. I like blue Porsche convertibles. I have a Carrera 4 996 and an 82 Targa, but you can just search what does Drivin Ivan drive. Or I actually just posted a video of just my Porsches on YouTube. Do follow me on TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan. I actually did a live walkthrough earlier from this event as well. Got a full driving review of this one. Same color too. This is the Acura NSX. Electric vehicle. Very advanced technology here with Acura. And yeah, I got a full driving review of that one. So just Google Drivin Ivan and Acura and you shall see it. Nice to see one NSX next to another NSX, the original. This is one thing that upset me. A lot of buzz was made about the designer of this car, as a female actually. But I was kind of put off a little bit by it because this one, you know, the original car is just, it had a look, you know, the rear deck right here, it was just massive. The overhang on the rear deck here. And this is a later one, the T. I think they came out with the Targa. But the earlier one, I think it was even more pronounced just because of the way the car looked. And to me, it was a letdown, the restyle of this. Don't want to cause any controversy, but I'm all for women designers and that sort of thing. An American actually designed the Porsche Boxster originally. That was awesome, because that's a great looking car, the 996. But, you know, I think they could have done a little bit more of a tribute to the Acura NSX in this one. But there you go. Right, McLaren's galore. This is the Speedtail, I believe. Is it the Speedtail? It's just awesome. What a great looking car. Wow, wow, wow. Shot some of these at Amelia Island earlier. GT40. It's a Corvette, Mustang, Ferrari there. So there you go. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and do smash that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. Check me out on Twitter at Ivan Katz, TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan, Drivin Ivan Katz on YouTube and Instagram, and check out my literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. Free Your Mind music video has a lot of my musical instrument collection. It's original song also, and it's got a lot of my car collection in it as well. You can also check out my documentaries, disc golf videos. It's great disc golf weather down here in Florida. I've already shot one round of disc golf down here that I'll edit later and put up. But that's a great sport. You can play with your whole friends and family this holiday weekend. Yep, it's just after Thanksgiving here. And there you have it, the Gulf Coast Motorworks Cookout here 2 days after Thanksgiving down here in the Naples, Florida area. Thanks again for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.